Welcome to our factory. Today, I will show you how McDonald's hamburger is made.
All beef crates scanned and cleared.
The lettuce and pickles meet quality standards. Ready for distribution.
Premium beef, fresh buns, and crisp vegetables are prepared to create every McDonald's hamburger. Advanced systems sort and organize ingredients for consistent McDonald's hamburger quality. Preparation systems work seamlessly to begin the McDonald's hamburger journey. Beef is shaped into perfect patties for every McDonald's hamburger.
Each McDonald's hamburger patty is seasoned for its signature taste.
Fresh buns are prepared to match every McDonald's hamburger perfectly. All components move efficiently to continue the McDonald's hamburger process.
Patties are grilled to perfection for every McDonald's hamburger.
Automation ensures each McDonald's hamburger is cooked with precision.
Melting cheese adds flavor to every McDonald's hamburger.
Every McDonald's hamburger is crafted for taste and consistency.
Ingredients come together to complete every McDonald's hamburger.
Signature sauces define the taste of every McDonald's hamburger. Each McDonald's hamburger is wrapped fresh and ready to serve.
Packaging keeps every McDonald's hamburger fresh and intact.
High-speed systems deliver McDonald's hamburger at massive scale. Smart systems ensure every McDonald's hamburger meets strict standards. McDonald's hamburger shipments are sent to restaurants worldwide.
And that's how a McDonald's hamburger is made, entire from start to finish.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.